Do you want to learn how to take amazing real estate photos? This course will help you make money as a photographer doing real estate photography. From knowing exactly how to capture images of any room or house to professionally editing them with beginner to advanced techniques. You'll also learn how to find your first clients, create a portfolio, and price your services, and more to help you launch your business. This course includes dozens of real-world demonstrations so you can see exactly how to set up your camera, light the room, and capture it from the best angles. You'll learn the common flambient technique of capturing and editing photos, and don't worry, if you've never shot or edited a real estate photo before, this course will quickly get you up to speed. This course is perfect for photographers looking to make money with their skills, or real estate agents, landlords, and short-term rental hosts who want to get more sales and rentals from their listings. Continue watching the free preview to get a sense of what this course has to offer, or simply enroll now. There's no risk with our money-back guarantee. Once you join, you'll get instant access to hours of easy-to-watch tutorials, access to our community of photography students just like you, and support from us if you ever get stuck. Let me help you make money as a photographer. I'll see you in class.